Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality.
Everybody's favorite CEO, Jensen Huang, made a great keynote speech this past week for Nvidia at CES. These keynotes are always entertaining and informative. The theatrics of the entire production of the keynote is on par with a Comic-Con reveal for a Marvel movie. I want to talk about my 5 favorite things from this keynote. First was the graphic card announcements. I think it was really so shocking to see that the 5070 was priced at $549, and it could be like an entryway for a lot of people that want to run local AI models and then also have something that they can actually run machine learning and deep learning kind of beginning projects for. Then you have the RTX 5090, which packs 92 billion transistors and is definitely going to be used for really high-end gaming and also all the generative AI aspects of gaming that's probably going to happen in the next year or two. The second thing that I thought was really cool from the keynote was Cosmos. And Cosmos is a way to basically teach a lot of physical AI to understand the world. They call it the world's first world foundation model. So it's basically just teaching AI at scale all of these different tasks over and over again and basically showing them how to do these specific tasks. And it comes with basically 20 million hours of video. So it's done by training with those 20 million hours of video. Number 3 was the rise of agentic AI. So in the presentation, they talk about the scale of agentic AI and basically how we're going to have to hire digital workers in the future and how you will even onboard them and teach you about it'll teach the workers about their company values and what language they use and how they complete certain tasks. This is going to be the future. These aren't just chatbots. They're specialized assistants that can handle research, code security, lab automation, and even industrial monitoring at scale. So it's going to really be a digital workforce in the next, 3 to 5 years. Number 4 is the autonomous vehicle revolution. And we've already heard about Waymo and Tesla using, full self-driving. But now we're going to see this happen even more at more scale and readily available to a lot of the regular society. Nvidia is going to use their 2 in-house tools, Cosmos and Omniverse, to turn thousands of real-world drives into billions of simulated miles. They even have a partnership with Toyota, and it's just not another collaboration. It's basically a signal in the industry that is ready for mass adoption. With a business that's already running at $4 to $5 billion annually, Nvidia is positioning itself as the heart of the autonomous future. So that means all of these different cars and different car companies that use some type of autonomous driving, they will basically use Nvidia as their backbone to scale up and really use these efforts. The last thing that caught my eye in the keynote was Jensen talking about everything robotics. I mean, Nvidia is probably going to be one of the biggest companies of all time really due to robotics. All of the different robotic, labs and companies use Nvidia in some type of fashion. And now that Nvidia is going to actually be working with Accenture and some of the different manufacturing partners to scale up autonomous manufacturing. So that means that all of these different robots that are in the factory are learning on the go and basically replay specific situations in different scenarios in the workflow of these companies and warehouses. So they'll be prepared if they see something drop, or they'll understand when somebody comes in front of them or maybe cuts them off in the factory that they know when to stop. So we're really going to see a drive up of autonomous manufacturing when it comes to robots. That's it. Remember, master machines, discover tomorrow's reality.